Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a pretty easy video. I'm trying out one of the new Givenchy loose powder blushes. Okay, there are 4 different shades in there. We're gonna get them on, we're gonna swatch, I'm gonna talk a little bit about them. And then I have one more Lisa Eldridge lipstick to get into. There's a story that goes along with it and I'll tell you that at the end. So if you wanna see how this face came together and what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, I took a bit of a break from YouTube for a few weeks. Got some exciting stuff happening business-wise. Ooh, fun news, because I'm about to talk about my Breezy Tee products of the day. Exciting news from Breezy Tee is that we were featured on BuzzFeed twice. A BuzzFeed list twice. That was one of my goals for Breezy Tee. I was just like, oh, I feel like our products would be perfect on a list, and so we've been featured twice, and so that's super exciting. And today I am wearing our Khaki Boho head wrap. Love this shade. I've worn it in videos before. Long piece of stretchy fabric, fashion it into any style you want. A beautiful subtle sheen, so you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Our customers tell us all the different ways they wear them and they're loving them, and you can do lots with them. So if you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. The links will be in the description below. So I hope everyone is enjoying their summer. It is hot where I am. It is hot. Do people have like vacation makeup mode? Like, pretty much that's it for me for the summer. I am not gonna be doing a full face of heavy makeup. So it is hot in Portugal. It is warm here. Warm to hot. I don't like hot weather, so even when it's not so hot, it feels hot. But that means I'm not doing a lot of makeup. So even today, I am doing really light makeup. So if something's peeking through, oh well, it's peeking through. But today is about Givenchy's new Prisme Libre blush. One of them that I got, I forgot how many they have. I think there are about, I don't know, 4 or 5. Oh no, wait, this is number 6. There are 6. I think this is the last one. So this one is Flanelle Ruby. Okay, this is a 4-color loose powder blush. And I hope you can see this here. If you turn it, you can see the different colors that you get in this blush. The top is reflective, okay? So you have a nice reflective top. And we're also gonna get into a Lisa Eldridge lipstick, one of her new releases that she recently released. And I'll tell you the story about that when we get to it. But what intrigued me about this was the fact that they were loose blushes, and I don't have really any loose blushes, so I wanted to see how this went. It's gonna be interesting how you get one color out and not the other, but that's gonna be my goal. But obviously in the end, you can always customize. That's the beauty of stuff like this. You can customize the blushes any way you want with the 4 colors. So here's how it comes. There's a piece of plastic, then I'm gonna lift it off, try to do one at a time and get the colors out, and we will swatch and try each one. And what I liked about this, the 6 colors, there are shades for different skin tones. So I picked the darkest just because I wanted to see it look the most vibrant, and I wanted to kind of gauge how it might look on deeper skin tones. And there's some red in here, and I don't typically have a lot of red blushes. So let's see what this number 6 can do. I forgot to mention it also comes with a puff. Like, is that a thing? Do people put on blush with a puff? If it's a thing, let me know below. If that's your thing, let me know below. But I'm not gonna use the puff, but it is there in case you wanna put your blush on with the puff. I'm just gonna stick my blush brush into the quad that I want and then shake it onto that and then go from there. Okay, here's the first color I use, Swatch. This is actually one of the lighter ones in the palette. So it's this one here, and it's actually quite vibrant. I changed my mind. What I did was pour a little into the cap, and that I'm going to take it from there. So let's try this. This is much more vibrant than I thought it would be, the lighter shades. So I'm excited to see what happens here. Immediately shows up. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm trying to be very mindful of where I put it because I don't have 4 cheeks. So we have to make it work with 2. So just gonna put this part, sort of like the lower part We'll put the other one in the upper part. This is a very pretty color, very pigmented, and yes, definitely brown girl friendly. Number 6 is. I'm excited for this color. There are no names on the individual shades, so this is the corally lighter one. And I'm going over intentionally just to see how it builds up, but it feels really nice, super pigmented, and a little bit dropped into the top is really probably too much. You can do both cheeks certainly with the little bit that I knocked out. So, okay, not a huge difference, but there is a difference in the two colors. Again, much brighter than I thought it would be. This is, I don't know how I would describe the difference. This one does look more pure orange. This one maybe a little bit more corally, but very pigmented. So let me try this on. Okay, so this one is very, very pretty as well. I'm loving these orange blushes. I'm loving all the orange I've just seen in the makeup industry in about the past year or so. A lot of orange products, lipsticks, blushes. I'm just loving, and it's one of those all-round colors. It'll work beautifully in the fall, but it's also beautiful in the warmer months. Beautiful. So this was the first one. There's the other lightest one, which is a beautiful shade of orange that I'm really, really enjoying. And then the next one, we have more of a reddish color. Listen, if there's any doubt for deeper skin tones, I think you will be just fine with number 6 in this Prism blush. I think in the end, I will end up just mixing them up and coming up with a custom color because they're all quite complementary to each other, or at least do the two half and half, maybe the two oranges together to get that little burst. So let's get this one, this reddish one, number 3. We'll put it on the upper part of this cheek. It should be different enough that we see the difference. Disclaimer, I am putting on way more blush than I ever really would, but I want you to see the differences. So I did reapply some of that first orange color here, just on the apple of the cheeks. Nothing else is there. So I want you to see the difference between this part and then the red color, reddish color is coming up here. Really beautiful. There's some mixing around here, and then the red is by itself pretty much up here, the higher parts of the cheek. Very, very pretty, very, very pigmented, and I'm excited to try this last one. Same idea. We see the color here. I'm gonna try to keep it here. And might I add, I have not put highlighter on, and I'm loving how this is looking like I have highlighter on. I don't. I'm gonna put that after. So yeah, let's get some up here where it looks highlighted of the last color. Okay, I didn't show you the last swatch. This is the last one that I just tried on, and it's the brightest one. So you are getting really nice pigmentation from these blushes. And again, thankfully, they're all very complementary, so you can mix and match and come up with your own custom one. So I didn't touch anything here. This was the first color. I just took that red, that really bright one, right up here, and it's very, very pretty. Really, really pretty, and you can build it up as you like. You can, you know, wear one color if you like, and it's just very, very pretty. I'm happy with these blushes, but again, it's a little tricky now towards the end to get individual colors out, so maybe one of the things you're going to consider is that you're going to end up maybe using at least 2 maybe together after the first time. If that's not a problem for you, I actually like the loose blush. I think it worked really well, blended out really, really easily, and I like it. A little tricky, could get a little messy, and that's something you might want to consider. Let's get to these lips. Okay, so I'm gonna try out this new Painterly lipstick from Lisa Eldridge. This was, I originally ordered this, but apparently I was so excited in the first video, it didn't even occur to me that they sent the wrong shade. It wasn't until after the video and I looked at something, or I saw Painterly, and I was like, wait a minute, I ordered Painterly Painterly. And I went back to my receipt and I realized they sent the wrong one and didn't send Painterly. But her customer service is absolutely awesome. They got it out to me immediately. So now we have Painterly, which was a color that intrigued me. Speaking of Lisa Eldridge, shout out to Lisa Eldridge and the team. They actually featured my video on their page. I still believe it is on their page. It wasn't a story, so it didn't disappear. They actually put it on their page, and I thought that was super cool of them. I had such a fun time getting the video out. So this is Painterly, just a really, really pretty color, and one that I did not have from her collection. Here it is swatched. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to get this one on, so let's do that now. This is as beautiful as I was hoping it would be from the pictures. This is a beautiful shade, super lightweight. These luxuriously lucent lip colors. This was my first time trying them in the last video and now again today, and I love this formula. So lightweight, it feels like nothing's on the lips, and incredibly moisturizing. The lips just feel moisturizing. This color is beautiful. It's a really interesting shade. What do I want to say this is doing for me? Like a ready plum color, a ready plum on me, but a light one, a light color, not super duper duper saturated, which is what I love. Oh, this is one of those shades that will easily transition to the fall. Okay, this is giving me fall as well. So beautiful shade, knocked it out the park, and we are done. Okay guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this really easy, quick video. Let me know if you're interested in the Givenchy Blush Libre, what's the name of this damn product? In the Prisme Libre blush. Let me know if you're interested in it. Did you pick one of the shades up? What is your opinion of it? What's your opinion of loose blushes in general, especially like this? I mean, in the end, I feel like they needed one of those things like we have on our seasonings that just turn around, you know what I mean? So we can just get that exact shade out. That's what this is missing, because I love the idea of it, but I think to get the individual colors out, if that's your goal, it's gonna be tricky, and in the end it might get frustrating. So I wish they had just a little slide so we can get the individual colors out. But let me know your thoughts on the idea of this kind of loose blush, and if you got Painterly from Lisa Eldridge, are you loving this shade? Because this is gorgeous. Love, 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 love. And of course, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys, you know that. We have a rapport now. I always respond when I see the comments. So let me know what you're thinking below. And if you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, our silk and linen accessories, you can visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. All links will be in the description below, along with everything that I have on my face today. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now.